In today's digital world, your personal and financial information is constantly under threat. Data breaches, identity theft, and unauthorized access are no longer what-ifs, they're happening every day. Today, we're diving into two of the most powerful tools you can use to protect your financial identity: credit monitoring and credit freezes. Whether you're worried about identity theft or just want peace of mind, this video will walk you through how both tools work, their pros and cons, and how to choose the right one for your needs. What is credit monitoring? Credit monitoring is like having a security guard watching over your credit reports. It tracks changes and notifies you when something suspicious pops up. There are different types of credit monitoring services. They include 1. Free services from banks or apps like Credit Karma offer basic credit monitoring. These often cover 1 or 2 credit bureaus and provide alerts for major changes. 2. Paid services like LifeLock or Aura and Identity Force offer more comprehensive monitoring across all 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, often including dark web monitoring, identity theft insurance, and dedicated fraud resolution support. Provides alerts for new accounts, hard inquiries, and personal info changes. Most monitoring services also provide regular updates on your credit scores, allowing you to track your financial health over time. The biggest benefit. The primary benefit of credit monitoring is its ability to provide early warnings. If someone tries to open a new account in your name, you'll be notified immediately, and that gives you time to act fast. How does credit monitoring works? Credit monitoring services operate by continually scanning vast databases and your credit files for unusual activity. Constantly scan your credit files across the big 3 bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Credit monitoring works by 1. Tracking credit reports. These services maintain a constant watch over your credit reports from the major bureaus. They're looking for new accounts opened in your name, changes to your personal information, like an address change, new inquiries, late payments, or other potentially fraudulent activities. 2. Alerting to changes or suspicious activity. When a significant change occurs, the service sends you an immediate alert via email, text, or through a mobile app. This could be a new credit card application, a loan inquiry, or a public record like a bankruptcy appearing on your report. These timely alerts are crucial for early detection of potential identity theft. 3. Providing credit scores and reports. Many services offer regular access to your credit scores, often VantageScore, but sometimes FICO scores, and summaries of your credit reports. Some premium services even provide full credit reports from all 3 bureaus annually or semi-annually. You'll get alerts via email or text whenever there's a change, like a new credit card application, a change of address, or even a public record. Benefits of credit monitoring. Leveraging a credit monitoring service offers several advantages for safeguarding your financial well-being. Here's why credit monitoring is worth it. 1. Early detection of fraud. This is the most significant benefit. By receiving timely alerts about suspicious activity, you can quickly identify and respond to attempted fraud, potentially preventing thousands of dollars in losses and countless hours of recovery work. 2. Can indirectly protect your credit score. While monitoring doesn't directly improve your score, it helps you spot errors or fraudulent accounts that could negatively impact your score. 3. Helps correct errors on your report. By correcting these issues promptly, you protect your credit standing. 4. Reduces financial loss by allowing quick action. Prompt action upon receiving an alert can stop criminals in their tracks, preventing them from opening multiple fraudulent accounts or draining your existing ones, thereby significantly reducing your potential financial losses. What is a credit freeze? A credit freeze is like locking the door on your credit report. It prevents new credit accounts from being opened in your name, even if someone has your personal information. A credit freeze, also known as a security freeze, is a more proactive and restrictive measure designed to prevent new credit accounts from being opened in your name without your explicit permission. Once a freeze is in place, lenders can't access your report to approve new accounts. This is one of the most effective ways to stop new account fraud cold. How to set up a credit freeze. 1. To set up a freeze, you'll need to contact each bureau individually. Experian. Visit Experian.com/freeze or call 1-888-EXPERIAN, 1-888-397-3742. Equifax. Visit Equifax.com/personal/credit report services, credit freeze or call 1-800-685-1111. TransUnion. Visit transunion.com/credit freeze or call 1-888-909-8872. 2. Providing required information. Be prepared to provide personal information to verify your identity, such as your full name, address, social security number, and date of birth. The bureaus will provide you with a PIN, personal identification number, or password. Keep this PIN in a secure place, as you'll need it to lift or remove the freeze later. Lifting or removing the freeze. To lift or remove freeze, you can choose any of these options. 1. Temporary thaw. If you need to apply for new credit, e.g., a car loan, mortgage, or new credit card, you'll need to temporarily lift the freeze with the specific bureaus the lender uses. You can set a date range for the thaw. 2. Permanent removal. If you no longer wish to have a freeze in place, you can permanently remove it with each bureau. In both cases, you'll need your PIN or password. Benefit of credit freezing. 1. Restricting access to credit reports. When you place a credit freeze, it essentially locks down your credit report with the credit bureaus. Lenders, employers, or anyone else attempting to access your credit file won't be able to view it unless you temporarily thaw or lift the freeze. 2. Preventing new account openings. Since lenders cannot check your credit report, they typically cannot approve new credit applications made in your name, effectively stopping new account identity theft. This doesn't affect your existing accounts or your credit score. The primary benefit is that it makes it significantly harder for identity thieves to open new credit lines in your name, even if they have your personal information. It offers a very strong deterrent against new account fraud. Credit monitoring versus credit freezes. So which is better? If you've already been a victim of identity theft or exposed in a data breach, you'll want to use both. For everyday users, a credit freeze offers the most proactive protection, while monitoring helps you stay informed and alert. Credit monitoring and freezes aren't just financial tools, they're digital self-defense. In a world where your identity can be stolen with a few clicks, taking these steps isn't optional, it's essential. For a complete checklist on how to secure every part of your digital life, head over to Tileris.com and grab our free security checklist. And if you want personalized help securing your financial data, our cybersecurity experts are ready to assist. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more content on how to take control of your digital life.